Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw and color a beautiful globe. Let's get started.
Okay.
First, I draw a round circle. This will be our Earth.
Yoo-hoo!
Then, I draw the stand to hold the globe.
Yes!
Wow!
After that, I draw the lands and divide the sea.
Oh yeah!
Nice and easy. Woo! Now it's time to color. Woohoo! I start by using blue for the sea, just like the oceans. Then I use green for all the land areas.
Wow!
Woo! For the stand, I use a mix of maroon, brown, and red.
Yes!
And finally, I use a black marker to outline everything and make it pop. Wow! Our globe is all done. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and easy drawings. See you next time. Bye!